Welcome to Module 3, which is Teacher Competencies and Effective Practices. This segment focuses on the critical role of teachers in assessment, emphasizing competencies and effective teachers. Before getting in, I am Dr. Shraddha Verma, Dean Faculty of Education, Kalinga University, Naya Raipur. Before we delve into teacher competencies, let's briefly revisit our journey so far. We explored the foundations of assessment, dimensions of learning, and designing assessments for diverse needs. Now, let's shift our focus to the competencies teachers need for effective assessment practices. Teachers play a vital role in the assessment process. Today, we'll discuss how they can visualize and select appropriate assessment tools tailored to specific context, content, and student needs. Examples of authentic assessment tasks will be shared to illustrate their crucial aspect. Authentic assessment tasks are those that closely mirror real-world situations and allow students to demonstrate their understanding and skills in context. By visualizing and selecting authentic assessment tools tailored to specific context, content, and students' need, educators can create a more dynamic and relevant learning environment that goes beyond traditional testing and promotes deeper understanding and application of knowledge and skills. Engaging learners is an art. We'll explore the importance of creating tasks and questions that not only measure but also stimulate thinking processes. It lies in promoting higher order thinking skills, creativity, and a deeper understanding of the content. By designing assessment that encourage original responses, educators can inspire students to think critically, analyze information, and apply their knowledge in creative ways. Example of tasks that allow for original responses can be included to inspire creativity in assessment. By incorporating tasks that stimulate thinking processes and allow for original responses, educators can cultivate a learning environment that values creativity, critical thinking, and the application of knowledge. This approach not only enhances the assessment experiences but also prepares students for real-world challenges where originality and innovation are highly valued. Moving forward, we'll delve into the process of developing clear and meaningful assessment criteria. Aligning criteria with learning objectives is key to effective assessment. We'll discuss how teachers can ensure that the criteria are fair, transparent, and closely tied to educational goals. It is crucial for maintaining the integrity and effectiveness of the evaluation process. This approach not only supports accurate evaluation but also contributes to a positive and supportive learning environment. Shifting our focus, we'll explore feedback as an essential component of formative assessment. Different types of feedbacks, including written comments, oral feedback, and peer feedback, will be discussed to enhance the learning process. Assessment goes beyond numerical values. We'll explore the pros and cons of using marks, grades, and qualitative descriptions. Alternative approaches to grading that align with the constructivist principle will be discussed, promoting a more holistic view of student achievement. Understanding each learner is crucial. We'll discuss strategies for developing and maintaining a holistic learner profile, incorporating various aspects of a student's academic journey. The use of learner's profile for personalized instruction will also be explored. Reports are more than just progress updates. We'll highlight the multiple purpose of reporting, communicating progress, profiling the learner, and providing a basis for further pedagogical decisions. The process of reporting a consolidated learner profile will be discussed to ensure effective communication. The key takeaways will be: the course aims to empower both teachers and learners, transforming the learning experience by integrating assessment practices that align with constructivist principles. Participants are encouraged to apply the gained knowledge and skills in their teaching practices, creating a positive impact in their classroom. Assessment is not just a measure of learning, it's a catalyst for continuous improvement and a facilitator of meaningful educational experiences. Thank you for your active participation and best wishes in applying these insights in your educational journey. Thank you.